What's up, the Operators Truck Club? Today I am headed towards Albany, New York to drop off a load. It's a lava load, so picked up a loaded container. Now I'm on my way to drop off a lava load. So 2.5 hours away from Newark. Shouldn't be that bad, but 287, straight up 87, and yeah, that's it. Then I gotta sneak around a couple little streets once I get to, oh yeah, then 70 once I reach Albany. So straight into the cold we go. Should be fun. I think it's 157 miles on my way up there. I got a pretty light container, 16,000 pound load, so I kind of like these types. Only thing I don't like is the toes. Once I hit 87, it turns into 87 over, it turns into a toll road. I think it's like one toll past Newburgh, or in between Newburgh and Newburgh. We'll see when we get there. Alright, everybody, to the next clip. Made it to my delivery. And these little compact tractors is what we're delivering today, which is pretty cool. We get to just drive it off the lot. Get to drive these things off of the container and into the store. Makes it for an easy delivery. Don't have to probably wait hours and hours and hours for unloading. So, yet again, here comes the snow. We're in Albany, New York right now, so they obviously get hit with a lot of snow. The way I came in was off of this street, and instead of making that left, I really didn't have that much room to angle out to straighten up and back out. I just turned in all the way here, cut my wheels all the way off, back right into that spot. First one's getting unloaded.
Twenty-four hours later.
Supposed to be checking in, but lights off, nobody in the office. So let's see how long it takes for us to get loaded, or even find somebody that will load us. Unload us on. So today, let's check out what we are delivering. Top ramen beef flavor. Whew. I feed a whole trucking community. Especially in these hard times. The waiting for a couple minutes. Finally got us a door one. Some type of confusion going on with the, I don't know, they're talking about the PO number that was given is wrong, so who knows if what they say is the truth sometimes. But yeah, we got a door, so it's right there. Let's get into it. Happy Friday. On our way to our truck to run a load out to Belleville, Pennsylvania. It is beautiful outside, can't you see? Gray skies, free car washes. Normal winter weather in New Jersey, because it never snows. When the snow we get is for a day. But can't complain, right? Because I'd rather have rain than snow. Anyway, we're on our way to pick up this truck and container and do this delivery. So on the next clip, I should be making my drop and we'll be able to show you guys what the place looks like. It's kind of like a rail yard, quarry, backwoods area. So yeah, on the next clip. Just pulled up to my delivery. About to drop off a container and pick up another empty one. It's about a 4-hour drive up this way down to Belleville, Pennsylvania. Nice dropping hook. Love these things, man. Haven't had a dropping hook in a while, man. Live unloads, you get to sleep and stuff like that, but it's nice to get a dropping hook once in a while. Anyway, all right, see you on the next clip. I'm gonna drop the container right here and bust this U-turn. Gloves on. One glove. Load landing gear. It's 60 degrees and there's a pile of snow. Make it make sense, man. Freezing rains all last week. Freezing snow. Freezing rain more this week. And 60-degree weather to follow. What is going on, man? Anyway. Alright, we're gonna finish unhooking to this one and hook up to another one.